Let's tag some people. Hi guys, welcome into my live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome in, welcome in. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. Who is on? Who is on? Welcome in. Welcome in. Hi, Melvin Phillips. First time seeing you on my live. Welcome in. Glad to have you. I don't know who is the next person. Can the next person comment? Welcome in. Let's chat. Let's just chat. Anything. Welcome in. It's Thursday and it's what they call Ben Johnson Day. So let's chat. What's for dinner? What you're cooking? Share the live, guys. Welcome in. You love my recipe? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Keep sharing, keep liking, and keep commenting. If you had commented on my channel, I would have seen this name, but it's the first I've seen this name. But thank you so much, and thank you for sharing my recipes. Yes, please, and please subscribe, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, there are several more things coming out, several things to come. So, yes. So, share the live. Welcome in. Thank you. Who's the next person? I'm not so sure. Or the other persons, because they are not commenting. But anyway, welcome into my live. Glad to have you. This evening is a rainy evening in Kingston City. So we are happy for the rain. We are happy that we are having rain and hoping that this water restriction will go away, because we are restricted because we weren't having any rain and it was affecting the water system. But thank God it has been raining for sometime this week, and it rained today, this evening. Yeah, some places still raining. It's overcast. So we are happy to have the rain. And then the rain made the place cooler. Yeah. Yes. So that's what we are just going to discuss. Anything you feel like discussing, type it in the chat and we will discuss and have a good conversation going for this live until maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm not going to be long. Just popping in to say hi to my followers and my subscribers. Hi, Silver Fox. Hello. Welcome into my life. Glad to have you again. As usual, a regular visitor. Always coming over. I appreciate you. Thank you. And I'm just saying that it's Thursday and it's anything goes. Thursday, we chat about anything. We talk about the rain. The rain, we are getting water in the reservoir. So, as you have one message from as now you can call the message friends. I don't know where Alexa talking. Okay, Alexa. Okay, Alexa. Thank you for that information. Even though I wasn't talking to her, but anyways, yes. So we're getting some rain. It rained this evening, a lot of rain. It's now overcast. And as I said before, the place is gonna be cool and nice. Yes. Melvin, you hear Alexa? She just nuff. I'm not talk to her. Hear there. Can you say that again? She having trouble hearing. I must say it again. Alexa, I'm not talking to you, honey. Sorry. I thought I heard my name. Alexa is one piece of face, the woman. But anyways, yes. Okay. All right. So you will be sleeping well tonight. Of course. It will be nice and cool. Of course. Alexa is just too rude here. Yes, it's buffering because I went out to another page. I think it should be better now because I'm trying to invite some person over. Where is everyone? I don't know. Maybe I don't know. It's Thursday. Maybe they went shopping, or maybe they still at work, or they gone to the gym. I'm not so sure where is everybody. I'm trying to call them. As I said, I didn't have a schedule. I just decided to come and chat with you guys a little this evening. So you can share the live to Silver Fox with your people and let them come over and watch this live. So yes, the sleep will be much better tonight. Much cooler, hopefully. Is it still buffering, Melvin? Is it still buffering? I'm not seeing Nation and the others. No, it's not. Yeah, every time I go into the app, it's subscribe. Anytime I go over to the, don't have anyone to share it with. Oh, really? I refresh my page. Okay, so maybe every time I go into my. Why is she not getting the live? So she not getting it. But every time I go to MSN because I think I did not get any notification. Oh, I'm not so sure what's happening, Annie. Not so sure. It keeps doing it because I don't know if it's because I'm going out to go to MSN to call the people in. Why? But see if it's better now. I think I'm gonna not go out again and see who comes. But share the live, Melvin, with your people and see if we'll get more persons to come on for us to chat. It stopped. Maybe it's the Wi-Fi. Yes, maybe it's the Wi-Fi. But Silver Fox, are you having that same issue? Yeah, man. Share up the live and make we talk some more about the water restriction, and also Thursday Thursday is normally Ben Johnson Day. What is it we are having for dinner tonight? I don't know yet, but yeah, I'll find something. Mm, yes, so is it still buffering? Because on my side it is clear, clear, clear. No problem on my side. Okay, no problem. Ben Johnson, the track star. Yeah, man. That's what they call Thursday. Thursday. Because it's near to Friday. Okay, it's near to Friday. And it's almost the week when most of your food stuff would run out. So you just pick up any little thing you have and um, cook for dinner. So I think that's why they call it Ben Johnson Day. And it's coming from way back. Way, way, way back. So yes. Anything and what you cooking today, Melvin? Or you eat already or you cook already? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Are you having rain in your area? Where are you from? I know most. Yes. Where are you from, Melvin? Are you from the Caribbean or where are you from? Oh, wow. That sounds like it's not a Ben Johnson dinner. That dinner sounds like it's good, proper, good up dinner. Salmon, baked salmon. Wow. I'm in San Diego, California. Oh, hi. Welcome in. Thank you for joining. It's so good. I wish I could see my people. I wish I could see you guys. I wish I could see your face and say, yes, this is my subscriber. Yeah, yeah. And this is my follower. Yeah. But one of these days, yes, one of these days, hopefully, we'll have a page or some opening for some meet and greet where I can see each other and and interact. You were. Oh, nice. You're from Jamaica or are you from Jamaica? Are you from Jamaica, Melvin? I have some pictures on Twitter. Oh, you're on Twitter. And what's your username? No, just vacation. Oh, you're not from Jamaica. Oh, you just vacation in Jamaica. Is that your same name on Twitter? I'll go over. I have the same name everywhere. Oh, recipe. And where do you get introduced to my recipe? Is it from um does the page come to you from YouTube or Twitter? That's how I found your channel. Oh, you found me on Twitter. Oh yeah, cause I normally share. Oh yeah. Yes, I normally share. Yes, I normally share my page over there. Oh, nice. That's the P. I must write down that. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, thank you. Then I became, oh, so nice. Thank you. Because you like the videos, you like the recipe. You like the Jamaican food and the natural juice and the smoothies and stuff. Yeah, those are mostly what I have on my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and keep liking, sharing, comment also so that I can see that it's you who is commenting. It's nice to read the comments, you know. They say, okay, it's give you motivation. It push you more to do more for your subscriber. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I normally try to go out for unique stuff, like unique recipes, see how they taste, you know. Thank you so much. Thank you. So hope you taste the jackfruit one, because I think there's a jackfruit smoothie. Yeah, a jackfruit mixed with something else. Yeah, that one was great. I didn't believe that jackfruit would taste so nice in smoothie, but it did. It did. And most of my smoothie, if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you can substitute some of the things like the sweetness and just pure. I don't put any protein powder in most of my smoothies. They are just plain and natural. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Do you have soursop recipes? I think I have one soursop, but it's juice in it, not smoothie. I was showing you how to juice and make soursop juice with a soursop. Yeah, not smoothie. I believe so, yeah. Yeah. One is there. Yeah. You love soursop? Do you love soursop? Seems like you love soursop. Yes, it's a juice. You love soursop? A little bit. Okay. Soursop is also good for the nerve, they say. Mm-hmm. All those natural fruits are good for you. Very good. Yes, it's very healthy. Very, very healthy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. So you're off from work, or because you say you're going to bake someone, that means you're home. You're gonna bake your someone home. Nice. Let me just see if I can screenshot this. Yes. So that I can let that. We don't have much of it in the States. No. I realize, yeah. No overtime today. Okay, you normally do overtime and stay later at work. Well, so it's not everywhere. Have it in Jamaica also. It's just a few places. So it's not that much. So is not I would say plentiful as like mangoes and June plum and those things. We have to get the juice ship here. Okay. Okay. And that should be maybe a little bit expensive to have it shipped, I believe. Normally 12 hours. It's so expensive here. 12 hours. Oh, your shift is normally 12 hours. Oh, okay. Okay. 8 hours. Most workplace here in Jamaica is like 8, 9 hours. Few you have others with those 12-hour shift or what you call overtime or working late. Okay, 8 hours, then you do 4 more. Okay, awesome, awesome. That's not bad at all. After the 8 hours, normally after 8 hours, I just want to sleep. I want to go home. But if the work is interesting and very yeah, active, like it's a moving job, you will the time will run out fast. Not like me, where I sit down at a desk. That can be very boring sometimes. Awesome. That's awesome. That's what we have to do. That's what we're doing. That's what we're working towards. Our goals, saving for retirement, saving for when we can no longer work and we just have to enjoy what we had put in place or save for that time of our life. And we want to, as a working person, we want to make it special so that we can have a good um, retirement life. Sometimes I have to drink an energy drink to keep going. Yeah, 12 hours is really, it's really, it can get to you. But as I say, you have to, or some coffee if you're a coffee lover, you get some coffee and keep up. And then when you go home, now you hardly have any time. You're just tired. You just want to sleep. Yes, yes. Yeah, man. I know those feelings. I know those feelings. Because sometimes even us as 8 hours week, we might go up a little bit later. So yes, coffee in the morning. That's great. And it keep you. Because some people drink coffee and it not do nothing to them, Like me, even though if me drink coffee, me still asleep. It not do nothing to me really. It depends on the coffee too. Maybe if I go Starbucks and buy coffee in the evening here, it will keep me up. But the regular coffee, I still sleep, whether or not. Mm-hmm. Okay, wow. You are a healthy person. You're baking someone for dinner, and then you have your green healthy drinks, and then you talk about my healthy smoothies. You are on the right track for good health. Better eating habits. That's great. I have some green juice on my channel too at night time. Okay, yeah, better not to. I also have some green juice on my channel, I believe. If you green smoothie, green juice, I believe. I don't remember. Yeah. Okay, great, great. Awesome. You're doing great. Seems like you're doing great, great, great. Health wise, eating wise, you're on the right track. So get some salmon, that big salmon with some nice vegetables. That should be nice. Mm-hmm. Or you put in some potatoes. That should be good. Yeah, man. I think I have some green juice videos on my channel. Yeah, I think I have those. You can try them. Yeah, it sounds like it's gonna be delicious. It sounds like it's gonna be delicious. It seems like this is the time for me to converse with you because We are talking about good stuff here, real good stuff, you know. We are getting into good, healthy conversation, which is good. So the next person who comes on and watch this video, they will see that we talk we talk about healthy stuff on this live and how to eat properly. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Awesome. But as I said before, it would be nice um, to have a meet and greet with my followers. We're online at can you have Zoom? You can do it via Zoom or any other. I think it's the Microsoft Meets. Microsoft. There's a Microsoft platform. There are so many platforms that you can meet and greet on. Because it would be nice to know some of you guys. Nice to see your faces and see what you all look like. Following my channel and subscribing. That would be awesome. Yeah. Sea moss and black seed oil and apple cider vinegar with the blend. Oh wow. You have Zoom. Okay. Awesome. This is really nice. What you blend up here. It's really nice. I heard about the sea moss. I've never tried it. I heard about the black seed oil. Never tried it. Apple cider vinegar, no. I've tried it. I don't know. Turmeric. Oh, awesome. So healthy. Really sounds healthy. Wow. Oh wow. That's awesome. That's really awesome. You are going places. You are eating healthy. You are doing the right stuff. I wish I could. I wish I could go that healthy. But I'm trying. I am trying. It's hard sometimes because sometimes when you come in, you just want to grab something. And my liquid base is coconut water. Coconut water is great. I did a melon coconut water on my channel recently. I just get the watermelon, and just blend it with the coconut water. That's it. It was so refreshing. No sugar, no sweetener. Just that and cube ice. It's so refreshing. The coconut water with the melon. Melon is good. Oh, you love ribs. Me too. Me too. Me too. I love ribs. And that's not bad at all to have. Not bad at all. Yeah, it was so good. The refreshing. It's on my channel. Just some melon, some cube ice, and I put some coconut water in it, blend, and that's it. That's it. So refreshing. Because most times we don't need the sugar, we don't need the sweetener, we just need it natural. Just need it natural. Pineapple coconut water. I think I did that. I did. It tastes like pina colada. I think I did something like that on my channel. I think I did it. I'm not certain because it could be a long time. But I think I did it because I remember that. Say I said, oh, it tastes like pina colada. I think it's there. I think it's there, but if it's not there, I'm gonna try it again. Yes, it's so refreshing and nice. And now that you say it to me, I have a pineapple. I'm gonna get some coconut water, and I'm gonna try it again. But I think I did it already. Yeah, I think I did something like that on my channel already. Yeah. Mhm. I have a lot of I have a lot of videos on my channel. A lot of videos. Yeah. Some I did way back in the days when I just started, and some recently. And now I'm doing live. I'm getting brave. When you're to do first time coming on live, it makes me nervous and say, what am I expecting? It's just like coming here and just chat to it. Like you're seeing somebody and just chatting, just chat, just say something. Just it's not that hard. It's like conversation with somebody in the phone, not somebody in person. Hi, nice story time. Nice story time. Hi, welcome into my live. Happy to have you here. We are just chatting about our health, how healthy we eat and drink. My channel, my smoothies on my channel. If you're a subscriber, please check out my videos. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and follow my page. Yes, keeping it simple is meal. No need to add the whole heap of protein powder, this, that. Mm-mm. I like my stuff natural. I like them basically without the artificial ingredients. Yeah. Okay. Oh, chatting so much with Melvin, and Melvin gonna leave me now. All right. Come back soon. Nice story time. Welcome in. And Silver Fox is back. So I have company. Yes. But Silver Fox not talking to me. He's just here. He's not saying a word. Your colleague, I am. Your colleague, I am. Who is that? Who is it? Who is my colleague now? You miss a lot, Silver Fox. You miss a lot. With if you notice the chat, Melvin and I had a wholesome discussion about eating, what we eat, my channel with the smoothie, natural smoothie that he loves, and try them out. And we talk about eating healthy. So it's a lot of stuff you miss in the chatting. Nikki H. Who is Nikki H? Nikki H. I don't remember who is Nikki H. Hi Janet, welcome into my life. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We are here chatting a whole bag of stuff, talking about eating healthy, talking about um. I'm not understanding. Nice story time. MB. I'm not getting it. I am lost. I am not getting it. I am lost. I am not getting it. Hi Janet, welcome in. We are here talking about my channel. Yeah, I realize you told me that you're taking a call. If you're here and you're not a subscriber, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment and share it with your family. Yeah, so you're always talking to me. Well, yes, but sometime you're here, you just say you're just listening. Thanks, Janet. Thanks, Janet, for beeping in. Thanks. We're just having um a conversation. and eat, eating habits with what's his name? Melvin Phillips. He came into my life for the first time, but he went to do something to come back. But it was a healthy discussion with what he's eating, what to blend up naturally, what he drink as smoothie and green juice. It was an awesome discussion. So you guys missed that, but you can always rewatch the live to see what we were discussing. Silver Fox, you can always rewatch the live. Yeah. Office MB, health is wealth. Office MB, um, health is wealth. You already know that it is because of your healthy lifestyle that you are promoting. Get me hooked to your channel. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. I feel proud. I feel so proud from your past. You don't know. Office MB, health is wealth from my past. Might be. Is it from Might be? I don't know. If I'm just listening, it's because of work. Yes, I understand. I don't understand. Nice story time. You're speaking in. You're speaking in code from MBA. Might be, but nice story time. Okay, okay, I understand. Nikki. Oh, hi, Nikki. Hi, Nikki. So it's been a long time. Oh, welcome into my life, girl. Welcome. It's been a while. Yes. Happy to have you on my life. Wow. This life has taken a different turn. I have so many first timers coming on. Yes, I got it. I definitely got it. I got it. Welcome, welcome, Nikki. Welcome. Good to have you. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Hope you are following my page. Like, share, and subscribe. All right. Like up the live, guys. Give me a thumbs up so that my channel can grow. But good to have you, Nikki. We are just here discussing our healthy eating, healthy habits. Um, the person before, which is my what's his name? Melvin Phillips. He was on earlier. He was talking about my healthy recipes, my smoothies and stuff that are on my channel that he loves, and he tries some of them, and he's trying to eat healthy. So he's telling me some of the things that he blends to make his green juice and smoothies. Very interesting. So yes, but what I came on to talk about is like the rain. We are getting rain, and we're hoping that the reservoir in Kingston will get some water so that we won't have any water restriction of that sort, which is what we are having now because of the drought. But thank God for the rain. God knows when to fall his rain. Amen. So that we can get, yes, so that we can get water. Because water is survival. Without water, we cannot be, we cannot do many things. Yeah, Melvin, let's see what's his name. Yes, if you look in the chat, yeah, he was there. He was the only person talking to me, and we had a good conversation, and I felt, you know, felt good about talking to him alone. He was telling me how he get to know of my channel, and then he get eventually subscribe, which is good. I feel so proud. So if even one person watching me, I feel good because I am encouraging that one person. Yeah. And then when the live goes out, it will get to others and they will be encouraged also. Catchment area, that's what I'm saying. I hope the reservoir gets some so that we can have less water lock off. I really don't experience the lock off of such, but I know persons who experience it, and I think my office does, even though we have tank. Yeah, that would be so good. But yeah, today it was a good shower of rain. Really good shower of rain came. One step at a time, definitely. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. And then you will feel so cool and nice in the night when it's rain. Because for now, the heat in the room, especially if your roof is slab, if you don't have an AC in it, it's crazy heat. And even if you have AC, you can't have it in all the rooms. Maybe the bedroom, or and if you're in the kitchen cooking or stuff, it's crazy. It's hot. So you still will feel the heat somewhere or the other. But it's good. It's good and it's nice. And it's nice and cool now. Because I came home, I don't even change. Normally I would be burning up. But it's nice and cool so far. So I'm enjoying it. The mosquitoes, oh no. True. And the mosquitoes and the crab. If you're there country, you get crab, Nikki. If you're in country, it's time for crab bush. Catch some crab if you eat crab. Good time now for those crabs to come out. I don't like the mosquito thing at all. That part of it I don't like. That is the thing I don't like when I'm in Jamaica. Water restrictions. Yeah, water restriction is crazy. Crab legs. Yes. Melvin, you're back. Yeah, I was just telling my other people about our healthy conversation, but you're back. I guess the dinner is ready. I love eating crab legs. Crab legs. Why not the rest of the crab? Why you don't eat the rest of the crab? Why you don't eat the the back, the belly? What in the back again? If it's female crab, they have eggs in the back, and then you have the under part there, the belly. Why you don't eat that part? Only the legs. Nikki and Melvin. I did stop eat crab, but I feel like I want crab for eat now. Oh, too much work to eat the rest of it. Okay. Crab cakes. I've never had it. Because I did stop eat crab. But I feel like I want to eat some crab this season. Crab tempting me this season. They don't have the hole in the restaurants. Oh, okay. It's just the legs they sell in the restaurants. Okay. But in Jamaica, they sell the whole one. Era Circle always have crab. And they sell the whole crab. And on the street, now that crab is so plentiful, they sell it whole. Stadium Gate, they sell it whole. Mm-hmm. So, I eat one crab or two this season. That you must do using tin mackerel, tuna, etc. Turn it and make fashion. That you must do using tuna, tin mackerel, tuna, etc. Turn it and make fashion. That's what we are making now again, Nikki. With the crab. This is what we use for um crab crab cakes. I'm not so sure. Maybe I don't know if they mix these things with the crab for the cake. Crab cake, substitute it with other meats. Me know you say you're a big chef, you know, Nikki. Take time with me there. What you say? That you must do using tin mackerel, tuna, extra short. Me that love to know how to make it with other meat. Me that love to know how to make it with other meat for my channel. Talk to me, Nikki. I ate at the Firehouse Shack, the fireman restaurant on the beach in Jamaica. The Firehouse, where that is? A fireman restaurant. Where is that? Nikki, can you say where is this place? Make a mackerel cake. Yeah, man. I need a recipe. I need a recipe, Nikki. Nikki, you know where these places are? The Firehouse Shack and Fireman Restaurant is on IG. Oh, must gone through that. Yeah, come in and know that. Yeah, he say on the beach or one of those beach in Negril. Melvin, you can buy the whole crab. You can try Maryland blue crabs. Yeah, blue crabs in Jamaica too. Mhm. Yeah, the blue crabs. That's right, silver. Okay. See it? Look how I'm bringing the people together. That's how it is. My mom gets them when we are in VA, Regina. Okay. Yeah, if you love crab, yeah, you can get the whole one to buy. Salmon cake, tuna cakes with a salad. See all these international people on my life, these international, a few, these international who is living in Maryland. Our Melvin same live again. Where Melvin say live again? Oh my God, Melvin, where you say live again? Um, soon tell you. Soon tell you. Soon tell you. California. California. San Diego, California. All these international people on my dad lives in Ocean City. I prefer the sea crab but have the Jamaican land crab legs. Oh, the sea crab is the brown one. I think me da like that one there too. If you go start back eat it, me da eat that one there. The one where them have the seafood broil without the lobster. Can't eat the lobster. Um, allergic reaction to lobster. Mm-hmm. Nice. So I have Maryland in the house, I have California in the house, and I have Jamaican in the house. Yeah, I know. When you cook it, it's red. Everything red, like the shrimp, the lobster, and the crab. Yeah, that one I want. Okay, you're working late tonight. Okay, no problem, Silver. Have you guys ever had coconut crabs? No, coconut crabs. Nikki, have you ever had coconut crabs? I never. Maybe Nikki. Crab tamale. That's coconut crab. Crab tamale. Crab tamale is coconut crab. Mm? Crab tamale is it tamale is a crab coconut crab that live in Australia. Okay. You never eat crab tamale coconut yet? Like eat crab tamale but me don't remember if coconut was always in it. I don't remember. I eat crab tamale one long time when me young. Cook done in coconut milk. Oh, that's how it cook. A long time I eat it, you know. But it used to nice though. Me that eat some right now. Yeah, but me never remember say it, a coconut milk cook it. That's what Melvin talking about with the coconut crab. Lots of pepper. Yes, man. Woo. Crab tamale and dumpling and banana. Hmm. And sometimes crab tamale and plain rice. Rice with the crab tamale on top of it. Woo. Those were the days. I would eat some right now. Mhm. Okay. Okay. That's what you're talking about. Okay. I never understand. Okay. Yeah, it's crab season now. If me get some of that crab tamale, then I would love some of that crab tamale right now. The meat is sweet. Crab meat is sweet, but when you don't eat crab and I drink water, you can't drink water. I don't know if it still tastes that way. There, you can't drink water. You can't. When you drink water, it tastes bitter in your mouth. I don't know if it's the same. Is it? I mean, it's sweet. Yeah, remember that man. But when you're drinking water, that's when you have the issue where my page not buffering. Yours buffering. I can't refresh, you know. If I refresh, it's gonna cut and go. It's gonna hang up the live, but mine not buffering on my end. Yeah, if you are experiencing buffering, Nikki, you can just refresh your page. But guys, remember to like up the live, like up the live, and share it with your friends. Yeah, but crab, I would love some right now. The only place me I look right now to get some crab is down at Euro Circle. Them always have around there. Okay. Them always have crab around there. Euro Circle. So if you come to Jamaica and you feel for some crab, Euro Circle. Mm-hmm. I'm always have crab. Those persons are gifted or renowned crab persons around there. Oh, that's where you get the crab legs? Oh, really? That means we need to go around there this weekend. We need to go around there this weekend because I get crab legs and try out the crab again. I haven't eaten crab for maybe, let me see, 10 years? Long time. Yeah, them always have crab and I love them roast corn. Roast corn or you want your corn. But I prefer the roast one around there and them normally have the crab hanging off. You can buy a crab. I'm gonna try it this season. Yeah, man. Euro Circle, yeah, man. Euro Circle is renowned for that. Corn and salt coconut. Got you. Yes. Yes. Got you, Nikki. Yes, they are renowned for those things around there. You get your corn, those old time eating and soup. Those old time things you get around Euro Circle. I feel nice. And it's different from going to a fast food or eat some junk food. It's just different. Just bring back memories. And you're good for maybe get all roast breadfruit around there. If you're a lover of breadfruit. And soup. Good stuff around there, man. Good stuff. That's where most people stop to get those things. Euro Circle. Do you have a homemade patty or jerk recipe? No, I don't. You want to make patty? But if you Google it, you'll see a recipe. If you Google homemade patty recipe, and the patty not on my, but jerk chicken is on my page. Not jerk pork. I have roast pork. I have jerk. I have no. I don't have jerk chicken. I have baked chicken. I don't have the patty recipe. I have baked chicken. My father's aunt back in the days. My aunt lived on the other side of the park. MOL. No, I just wonder if you made some at home here and there. No, I don't. Hi, sis. Look at my sister and my life here. Hi, Decisive Designs. Guys, follow that page. Subscribe to our channel. It's my sister. She's on. And going to Euro Circle from I was a child. My father's aunt back in the days. My aunt lived. Okay. So that is your playground, Nikki. So you're used to them and say, them have good stuff around there. Yes, sis, welcome in. We're just chatting a bit. Just came home from work. It rained and I decided to say, oh, come, let me chat a bit with my fans. Glad you catch one of my live. Wow. She just ate a beef patty for dinner. Where did you get it, sis? You bought it up there or one of those Jamaican patties? Look how we spell out Melvin. Good, healthy eating. We're here chatting about we're here chatting about crab. How I not eat crab 10 years now. I'm gonna eat it. Frozen from the store. Okay. Nice. Nice. Me not eat I don't have anything yet for dinner. I'm not so sure what I'm gonna eat. Melvin here telling me about him big salmon and him green juice and them things there. Yeah, vegetables in his patties. I just true me not have the time, I could try out those things on my channel, but soon and put it out there. But soon. Soon. And look how me have patty store everywhere. All we do in Jamaica quarrel so the patty them price there. That's all we are. That's all we do. A quarrel say juicy beef patty there. Tasty patty there. Patty I increase $300 for one. Empanadas, Jamaican patty style. True, we could do that. We could do that for true. And that would have been nice. That would have been nice, Melvin. You use a vegetable and make a patty. Patty easy to make. Roll the flour, get the thing, put it in the middle, use the fork and make those things around it. That's all. I think that's all. And then you put it in the oven to bake. Hi, Winsome. Welcome into my live. Potato. Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. Oh, so you use a potato to make the patty? Or you put the potato, which is the sweet potato, in the patty? Is it so? Nikki, you crush the sweet potato, boil it, crush it, season it up, and put it in the patty as a vegetable patty, just like how they do the lentil and split peas. Oh, you're gone already, sis. A curry potato patty. Curry potato patty. Them recipe, them sound good, Oh, the Irish potato makes it have a nice texture. So you season up the Irish potato, and I go try it. Sis, all the best on your live, in your video. Nice. A curry potato patty. That sound like a patty where with a taste good too. Curry. Cause them have curry chicken patty. They have curry goat patty at Devon house, We have curry goat patty. Oh, you curry it, or you just use it plain. Crush it or you cut it up fine. How we do it? Nikki? How we do the potato? Crush it or we cut it up fine? Like dice it up. Cook it. Oh, you gotta do the curry now. Mix it or cook it with the curry. Me think so them recipe are good recipe, Then good patty recipe there where we not have to use the meat. We use vegetables and we use potato in the crust. Sounds good. It sounds good, Nikki. I forgot try it. I forgot try out them recipe here, cause them sounds reasonable. My Indian neighbor used to cut the Irish in strips, and curry it with sweet pepper, then in the roti. Yeah, that's supposed to nice. I love roti. I love roti. I love roti. I love roti. Mhm. I love roti. Yeah, man, that's supposed to taste good. That's supposed to taste awesome. Mhm. It's supposed to taste really, 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 really good. Mhm. So Melvin, we are giving you a lot of tips for you to go and try. Me too. I'll try something on my channel soon. Sometimes it's the time. But those are easy recipe. You roll the flour, roll it. Um, use lots of chickpeas like fritters. They were Hindus, don't eat meat. Oh, oh. But me not think them sound like them miss meat. The way them menu they taste sounds and sounds like they're going to be delicious. Mm-hmm. Split peas with sweet pepper. Irish in strips and curry it with sweet peppers. Roti nice by itself already. So you can imagine add the curry sweet potato in there with the sweet pepper. Man, sounds like it's heaven. Everything on Google, Melvin. Don't miss meat. Deal with the split peas. Yeah. I made it get a whole lot of split peas, you know. I may give them work. I may never sure what to do with them. And hot pepper. Yeah. Sounds like a good enough, you know. Good enough, fulfilling meal, and you won't miss the meat. Mhm. Mhm. So that means we don't have to eat. We don't have to eat meat every day. We can we can choose to incorporate other natural vegan stuff, vegetables, different things in our meal instead of having meat. Yeah, man, look it up and try it. You'll like it. Take it from me. When just season it up properly, add a little salt, your peppers, and as Nikki said, fix it up nice and add it to your crust. Mm. Even if you don't make a patty like crust, can as you said, roll it and make it into like a roti. Put it in your frying pan, fry it, and then after you're frying it, you just add those things in the middle and just fold it over and make it, you know, and then you take it out. That's supposed to be nice. True, not for cook with salt. Me not for cook with salt either. True. Yeah, make it like an envelope and just fold it, and just ooh, that's supposed to be nice. Mhm. Supposed to be nice. It's like this street is street what would I call it now? Food. I saw this lady on TikTok. She makes like I don't know if it's pancake mixture she put in the thing and she roll it around till it wide like a pizza thing, and then she add some little ingredients on it, eggs, and she roll it in. She put some maybe banana on it, and she tingle it, and then she keep it on the heat. And when they eat, when it cook on one side, she just flip it like an envelope, make it stay there, and then cook properly, and then put it in a one cup like something, and thing there. And it sell. You want to see people, it look like a film tradition that my mom doesn't use salt as well. Oh, nice. If you use the right seasoning, it competes with Maggi all purpose. True, you don't need the salt, because most of those seasons have a lot of salt in it. You don't need the salt for true. And being bad. No salt. No salt. Crepes. I said it near Mickey. You see it too? I see it, I love watch her, because I think say it's so interesting. And it's not a lot of food. It's not a lot of food. It's just barely one cup or something, and she spin it around till it come out. Yeah. Pancake very thin, and then she add the things them in there. Some people don't eat eggs, and she put different things in there, maybe banana, um different things on it, and then she fold it, make it cook on that side, and fold it again, and it come in like one envelope, and then she drop it in the cup and give them. Yeah, and it sell. Me watch her. Me love to watch her do it. Very thin pancake mix. Yeah, me love to watch her do it, because she have a art to it. She have the little something where she used to spin around the thing on the fire thing on her eater. They thin out the normal pancake mixed fruit crepes. Okay, I always a watch her. And it's fascinating to see how she does it, and she making her money right there. And it's not like say a heavy food, like it's just a light thin meal. Yeah, I need a grid. Yeah. Don't Let me just put things on top of it. Street food, yeah, man. On the street, that's how she make her money. And she is selling it. They are buying like crazy. And when you go over there, TikTok, she have some thousands of viewers watch her. So you can imagine she make money there, so, and she make money over TikTok. Mhm. Mhm. That's how it is. Yeah, it's very good for her. She find a way how to make a living, and it's working out. And it's some country, I not even remember which country that. Not the US, it's not, it's some, I know China. One country, they have a crab place at Lady Musgrave, right at the plaza beside TGI and Old Road. Huh? Really? That's in my surrounding. I didn't know that. And it coming like you ever have the thing there roll ice cream where them thing they on the something and then flat it out, flat it out, flat it, flat, and then roll it up, and give you. It's a what do you call it? CPJ. Oh, I must try it out. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I must try it out. See it? Look how may I get information. No, it moved from north side. It's at Orchid Plaza. Thai something another roll. Thai roll. Right name again. Thai something something. It's at Orchid now. Look how information coming in. I wouldn't know this information without this live today. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Yeah, tie roll, something like so. Tie roll. Yeah, it's at Arcade. Yeah, they move. Mhm. Mhm. Tie roll. Yeah. But anyways, guys, it was nice talking to you all on this live. Nice to have you, Nikki, Melvin, all these new persons, Silver Fox, who came and had to leave because of duty call. Yeah, you take the favors of your choice. Yeah. Mhm. I heard my sister say she's going live, so I'm gonna up off and go over and see and give her some support. Yes. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Melvin, hope to see you again. Nice story time. I will never forget that it's you this time around. Thank you so much. I've learned so much. You have given us so many information, both of you. And we are all going to use some part of this live in our lives to make it better. I'm sure we're going to do. We're going to try and make some of these amazing things that we spoke about. Yes. And I hope to see you guys again when I go live. I don't know how Nikki got the live feed, but I tried to share it to some place, my page. Some person just subscribe and it just they get it same time. So remember to subscribe, guys, so that when I go live, you will see that I'm live. All right. So thank you so much. Have a great rest of the evening and see you on my next live. Remember to check out all my videos. I have a lot of videos. Okay, you subscribe. Great. I have a lot of videos on my channel, some more to come. And I try to post like maybe 2 times a week. It's hard editing, but I'm trying my best to keep it up. I try to go live now to reduce some of that editing process. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.